Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the Fidelity Zero Expense Ratio portfolio where I am invested into 2 index funds and they have zero expense ratio. So they literally cost me absolutely nothing to buy, sell, or own. And we'll see how they perform. So far, they are not performing as well as VOO, which is the S&P 500 that follows. But they are performing decently, and for being completely free, I can't complain too much. But there has been days where the market was green and my portfolio was red. It's only happened twice, and it's made up for it the next day. So it could just be a reporting delay as well. But anyways, long story short, the current value of this portfolio is $103.93, and I've deposited $100.04, which means we're up $3.89 or 3.89%. And that's not too bad considering I just started this on February 4th. So our gains are pretty good and the market has gone up. So that makes sense. It's kind of following the market. I'm not going to bother going into a lot of dividend yearly income. If I get paid dividends, of course, I will be tracking it here. Yearly, there's really not much point to tracking dividends here because it's just two ETFs and there's not a lot of dividends to be paid out. So just heads up, I'm basically going to be tracking the value in capital gains on this. So, but that is the Fidelity Zero Expense Ratio portfolio. I apologize if I said M1 at the start of this video. I don't remember. But anyway, this is Fidelity, not M1 Finance. And completely zero expense ratio funds, which is pretty awesome. So that is the updates for this week, guys. And this will be the last video for updates. And if you haven't watched the Roth one, be sure to watch that. I have a lot of information in there this week about what's happening with M1 and their tracking and all that good stuff. I also have some more. I talked a little bit more about that in the aggressive portfolio update as well. This week, I will be putting out 2 more videos. I'll be putting out the net worth update for this month, and we'll see if we're heading the right direction or the wrong direction on our net worth. And I also need to put out the portfolio comparison to the market. Like, how are the portfolios doing compared to the S&P 500? Am I beating the market? Am I underperforming? And we'll see how all the portfolios are doing. So look forward to those coming out this week as well. In the meantime, I hope you're all doing fantastic, and I hope your portfolios are making you rich, at least making you free. That's the main thing. Just get to the point where you can pay for your expenses, and then you basically have FU money. So if you don't like a job, you can say FU and move to a different job. Anyways, talk to you later. Hope you're all doing fantastic. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks guys.